When searching for sputtering deposition system, you'll find a wide range of manufacturers. However, only a select few brands and models dominate the industry in leading compound materials semiconductor fabs worldwide. Why is that? Many sputtering deposition systems on the market today are conceptual products because they lack proven performance in real-world semiconductor manufacturing. The industry's high technical demands, limited production volumes, long lead times for spare parts, and high costs make it difficult for many sputtering deposition system vendors to refine their equipment to meet strict industry standards. As a result, these unproven systems are often used in research labs, where performance validation is less critical, leaving their reliability questionable. For semiconductor fabs and nano labs that require reliable, high-performance sputtering deposition equipment, choosing a proven solution from an established industry leader is essential. Why choose the AccuSputter AW4450 Magnetron sputtering deposition equipment? With its proven reliability, precision engineering, and user-friendly control software, the All-Win-21 AccuSputter AW4450 Magnetron sputtering deposition is the ultimate solution for high-yield semiconductor processing. Its advanced automation, precise control, and flexible process capabilities make it the preferred choice for leading compound materials semiconductor fabs and research institutions worldwide. Let's take a closer look for the detail. Process proven for compound materials, the AccuSputter AW4450 series production sputter systems are manufactured in the configuration of a manually loaded system capable of fully automatic, non-PLC, operation. The AccuSputter AW4450 sputtering head is equipped with 3 delta cathode or 4 round 8-inch positions. The AccuSputter AW4450 series production sputter systems deposit a wide variety of materials onto substrates such as ceramic, metal, plastics, glass and semiconductors. The system can also be used for RF sputter etching, a process in which material is removed from, rather than being deposited on, the substrates prior to sputter deposition. These sputtering systems sequentially deposit thin films of up to 3 or 4 different materials onto a single substrate, thus attaining sandwich-structured films such as multi-layer optical interference filters or semiconductor devices. Resulting thin films range in thickness from a few angstroms up to several microns. Key features: process proven for compound material substrates. Non-PLC, smaller footprint/easy maintenance. 20+ years proven sputter technology. New optimum AW4450 system control. Table rotate and lift subsystem, feed-thru assembly. DC 24V for motors, actuator, relay, solenoid. Efficient 8 delta cathodes, 2 to 6 option. High throughput operation. High uniformity and yield. DC, RF sputter, pulse DC option. Magnetron and diode sputter option. RF etch and bias are optional. Ultra clean vacuum system. Load lock operation. UHV design. Flexible for development or production use. Full range of substrate sizes and shapes. Various pumping and power options. Co-sputtering option. Reactive sputtering option. Ready to elevate your semiconductor processing? Join the leaders in the industry. Choose All-Win-21's AccuSputter AW4450, where performance meets perfection. Visit www.allwin21.com to learn more.